Okay, so now it's going to start at the center, and then it's going to start going to the right. So I'm going to hit the grade line on the right wall now. So it'll blink rapidly like that when it reaches the planified design wall. So that's the depth at which the wall should be. And it'll stop once it hits 90 degrees. Okay. Then I just gotta save my work. And it'll generate me a whole path. It'll also generate a Jumbo Schematic on my screen, which I'll have to align with our drift so that it makes sense. Basically, I have to make sure this Jumbo Schematic comes into the drift and not into the front. So here you can see the booms are these light lines here. This is where the Jumbo starts, and these thicker red lines here are the drill steels within the rock. So I just need to make sure it's all within the drift.